Good evening, fellow AeroScout engineers, and I'm happy to report that my last modification was very successful. I finally was able to get out to do a little test flying with my reconstruction of the underneath part, and I did some serious tree pounding tonight. I'm flying where there's too many trees. I didn't go to the open field area like I should. Serious nosedive into a rough shrub with lots of thorns. Tore up a bunch of it. I think I'm seeing the body bow more here. I don't know if that was true before flying. Did a couple of serious bounces. Nose wheel first onto pavement landing or into some grassy yard areas. And I'm happy to report that this modification worked fantastically. Speaking of shrub bits, there's some right there. Really held up well. This is a good support technique to keep this wheel from plunging back into the plane. I think that is probably the best update you can do to this plane. Maybe when you first get one is maybe think about putting this as reinforcement underneath. I will attach a link to my previous video that showed me reconstructing this from a previous crash. But it definitely withstood. I hit to the point that this thing fell off a few times. I hit some trees and did some heavy bouncing, and we're in good shape.